Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought this great DIY for you guys. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, I am taking two small size of beads. These beads are of 2 mm and these beads are of 4 mm. You need only three things. The third one is the fish wire. You can find these all things easily from any store nearby your house. Now I'm gonna take one 4 mm bead and insert it into the fish wire and pull it to the center, as I am doing like this. You need only one bead of 4 mm, and now start inserting the 2 mm beads on both of the sides, in the right also and the left also. Okay, so now until I am inserting the beads, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys. You can use this bow in any type of packaging or packing any gift. And here you can see that the inserting of beads is almost done. You have to insert 9 beads on both of the sides of 2 mm. Now we are going to insert the fish wire from the big one bead to the left side. Basically we are going to crisscross the fish wire from the big one bead to give it the shape of bow. After crisscrossing the fish wire from the both sides, pull the wire from the both sides tightly to make it tight. I am also making a simple knot here to make the shape of the bow very stable. And after tying the knot, the both of the areas of the fish wire will be left. So I am also inserting the beads of 2 mm into these wire pieces like this one. Repeat the same process with the other one also. To lock it from the both sides, apply glue on the one bead and then insert the last one bead like this. Same as it is I have done with the another end also, and I am also applying glue on the last bead also to make it very strong. And our bow is done. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.